use the Adesso AKB630FB Keyboard featuring a built-in fingerprint reader with Windows Hello. Step 1. Connect the AKB630FP Keyboard to your Windows PC's USB port. Step 2. Access your Windows 11 settings panel by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon in the taskbar and selecting Settings. Step 3. Select Accounts to enter the User Access Management for your system. And then select Sign-in options. Step 4. Select Fingerprint Recognition using Windows Hello from the available options. Then click the Setup button to start the setup process. Follow the setup instructions to add your fingerprint profile to your system. Once complete, you can start using your fingerprint to sign into your PC using the Adesso AKB630FP.